So hello everyone. Welcome to Lorenzo Data Solutions. My name is Anipe Abraham, SAP SuccessFactors Consultant, Corporate Trainer. Before I continue to say anything in this short video, I want to say that one thing, this is my own view or opinion, and I don't represent anyone. So in this short video, I'm trying to explain about the latest releases H2 2024 of Employee Central updates. So as you all know that I have already posted a short video on my website, but I would like to also explain about these features so that those who are going through this short video would help them to understand the updates about the latest releases. So you know that the production release date is on 17th November 2024, which is already, you are already in the live. So the first update I want to explain about Access Company Structure Overview using the deep links. See, as you know that we have a deep links that with one click short access that, instant access, you can access to the direct navigation that you are looking for. Now with this release, SAP have included the, uh, the org chart that deep links. And here is an example that how the deep link can be set up by adding the entity. Are you looking for the object type? Are you looking for the path? So you just add that evaluation path or maybe object type and create it automatically. That you can add it maybe as a bookmark, okay, you can make it as an URL, and you can add anywhere, navigation path wherever it is possible, so that with the one click instant access, the employees will be navigated directly to access the company structure overview. This is one update with this particular release. We have seen it, and here are the technical details that for your reference. And here it is a minor update. We have considered this one as. The second update is access pending workflows for and future changes in the latest profile. See, from the H2 2024 release, even the layout of the people profile also changed. And even the any approvals that you see that there are some workflows that is going to be active, effective in the future dated. So it is very easy now in an improved way that employees or anyone can see that there are some changes are going to be effective, updated in the system from this particular date. In the previous versions, we used to see this kind of, highlighted links in the portlets. But now on the people profile on the header page, you'll be able to see that if there is anything the pending workflows, you will be able to see the list of information here. But in order to use these features, and you need to follow that, you need to go to the RBP, enable the transactions pending workflows so that all the transactions pending workflows can be visible on the latest, uh, people profile. So here is some information that it is going to be supporting that supported portlets or HRIS elements are personal information, global information, national ID information, addresses, work permit information, dependents, and etc. So you can see that everything is listed here. This feature is going to support all these mentioned HRIS elements, or you can say a portlet on the people profile page point of view. So if you want to know the technical details, here are the technical details. This is one of the major enhancement from the H2 2024. You can experience it. The next one is accessing the time forms using the deep links. Okay, so here Again, very similar to your org chart. So you can also access the time forms, right? You have that feature introduced last year that you can also enable that feature using the short links like, the deep link like SF/time forms and add this, yes, which one you want to access, employee self services for a time forms, or you want directly the time forms that admin workbench paint point of view. You have a two, deep links here mentioned. You can use it as it is, and then you'll be able to access it like all the forms that in a single page you'll be able to see. And this is one of the minor enhancement. It is recommended to use it because it is flexible for employees to experience the features available on the time up system or maybe a timesheet system. Next one is enhancement to out of office indicator on the latest profile and org chart also. So SAP have introduced this feature both in org chart, both in a people profile. So for example, remember this also supports LOA times related as well. So earlier it was only supporting the regular leaves, but even LOA long-term leaves, that maternity, paternity, or military leaves. So even anyone who is on long-term leaves also, this feature supports actually. So long-term leaves means whenever someone is on long-term leave, their job status also changes based on maybe paid leave or unpaid leave or anything based on the event reasons are set up in the particular LOA time type, the job status is going to be updated. When employee returns from long-term leave, the status also changes to the active status. So here is a how it looks like. You can see on the people profile page, you will see that you'll be out of office and you'll be back on April 2nd, 2025 on the latest profile page. And also here, this is like it was earlier that before the this feature introduced, but latest one is you'll be able to see here is very similar to this. Okay. Next one is uh, including the leave of absences also. You can see here the leave of absences as an example. You'll be able to see on the spotlight that employee is on long-term leave. Okay. So these are the few updates that I wanted to explain, but there is a one more that is there that is related to the updates to the pending workflow page. So this feature is now officially replaces that pending workflows that we used to have a legacy pending request page, right? So it is going to replace the new tab as a request reassigned to others or link to my workflows requested page, a navigation to more useful pages. So here is, you can see the pending workflow page looks like this, the latest one. And now you can see my request to approval, my request sent back, a pending request that I approved. These are the three tabs we used to see in the previous release, but now we also have a request reassigned to others. The additional one is a access request awaiting my approval. So this is a new layout. It compared to the previous release layout, the look and feel, the latest one is far better. It is more flexible with a more additional features introduced. And here are the a few updates, the the technical details of this particular update. So I hope that everyone is clear, understood. A few of the updates that I wanted to explain. And hopefully those who are watching this short video will help them to understand about each feature I have posted on my website and also on the short video that you are watching. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching this short video, and see you all again next time. Bye everyone.